On this video, we will go over how to review the status on open projects using the Zoho Projects application. Also, we will review how to filter the open projects by groups, users, and type. To log on to Zoho Projects, go to www.zoho.com/projects. Then click the login button. Then enter your user ID and password. Then sign in. At this point, I will suggest to bookmark this page for future use. The default page should show you a list of all open projects, but if it doesn't, just click the project tab link on the top. Now you have a view of all open and filtered projects, in this case about 42. To filter the projects by group, go to the filter button, then select the box. Let's say I'm gonna select the filter by Livermore. Then click the find button. So now you can see only all the projects for the Livermore group. Also, you can sort the information, the list by the available header fields on top. The way to do that is by clicking on this sort by link here and selecting one of the fields. In this case, I'm gonna select owner. Now the whole list is now sorted by the owner. If you want to add more filters to it, you can go back again to the filter button and add more filters to it. Then click the find button again. So currently you will see the filter list by group, which in this case is Livermore, and by the owner. Now if you want to drill down a project, you just need to go over the project name and click over. The dashboard page for this specific project now will open. Now you can see to the left, you will see different pages available. We will only discuss the dashboard, feed, tasks, milestones, calendar, documents, users, and reports and charts. We will not discuss the other pages because they're not being used at this time. So now let's begin with the dashboard page. This page has a few widgets of information about this project, like task status, overdue work items, today's work items, etc. You can add remove widgets by going to the customize dashboard button and making the changes there. You can turn on and off any of these widgets. Also, you can view the project details or update by going to the edit project. Here you will have more information about the project. And after you are done with the view or update, just click update and then save. The next page is feed. Feed will show all the activity about the project, like notes, changes of task status, etc. Any changes to the project is recorded with the time and date stamp and user information. The next page will be tasks. Now the tasks project, the task page will show you all the tasks for the project. The default view is to show you only the open tasks, but you can change the view by modifying the filter options. Open, close, and there's other options too. The next page will be milestones. Milestones will show the progress of each milestone in the task list. You can drill down the task list by clicking over the name of the task list to view more details of the tasks. So let me give you an example, and I will give you more information about the tasks and when are due. To go back, yes, click the go back button or arrow. The next page is calendar. Calendar shows all the tasks and milestones in a calendar view. From here, you can modify date. You can view and modify dates on tasks by doing the click and drag. So let me give you an example. I can go ahead and drag this to different date and change it that way too. I'm just gonna leave it back. The next page is documents. Documents will have all the uploaded document files, pictures such as a floor plan, contracts, change order, etc. And you can actually view them by clicking on the link on the name. The next page will be users. The users page will display who is assigned or who was assigned to the project. You can also add users by clicking the add user button, then typing the name, selecting the role, and then click add. That will add it to the list. The next page is reports and charts. On this page, we will only use the Gantt chart. Now, this Gantt chart is very flexible. You can view the information depending what you filter. So you can change the filter by clicking the filter button, and you can just select the different options. You can do it by project span, this month, for current month, open tasks, task owner. So in this case, I'm just gonna leave it with project span and open tasks. So here's the report. Now, if you want to convert this report into a PDF, you can go to the other actions button right here. It says convert to PDF. So a file will be generated, and the file will look like this. So now when you are done reviewing the projects, you can go back and go over to your profile button, click on it, and then click sign out. This will conclude this video on how to review the status on open projects using Zoho Projects application. Thank you.